Hello friends, welcome back to Java with Mukesh. Today we are going to understand inheritance in Java in the simplest way using real world analogy. Let's say we have a father, he has a car and a house. Now his son is born. The son automatically gets the house and car. He didn't have to buy them again. This is exactly what inheritance means in Java. A child class inherits properties and behavior like variables and methods from parent class. Now that we understand the concept, let's move to the code and see how inheritance works in Java. Let's say we have a class called father and inside it there is a method car. Now we have created another class called son. This son class extends the father class. Here extends is the keyword we use in Java to apply inheritance. It simply means son is the child class and father is the parent class. Because of inheritance, the son class automatically gets access to all public methods and variables of the father class. When we create object of son class like we have created here, we can call both car from father class and bike from son class. Let's run and see. Here we can see we have access of both the classes. This is how inheritance works in Java. But there is a question. Why even we do use inheritance in Java? So we use inheritance because it saves the time. It avoids duplicate code and makes our program more readable and clean. So always remember, inheritance in Java is just like a child getting things from parent. In Java, we mainly have three types of inheritance: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and multiple inheritance. But here is an important point. Java does not support multiple inheritance with classes to avoid confusion. However, Java does support multiple inheritance through interfaces. Don't worry if you are not familiar with interfaces yet. We will be covering what interfaces are and why they are used in our upcoming videos. Coming to single inheritance. Single inheritance where one child class inherits from one parent class, as we have seen the example of parent and child class, that is father and son class. That is perfect example of single inheritance. Multi-level inheritance is where a child class inherits from a class where that class itself inherits from another class. So let's see this by example. Here, son inherits from father and father inherits from grandfather. So son class has access to both parent and grandfather classes. This forms a chain of inheritance. This is why it's called multi-level inheritance. So here we understood single inheritance and multi-level inheritance. We will learn about multiple inheritance in our upcoming videos on interfaces. Thanks for watching.